You are not in Cirque du Soleil! You're gonna fall!
Stop drilling! Drilling! You're gonna hit a pipe! Where is your permit? Are you guys doing the Lesginka? Since when are you from the Caucasus?
Are those my 5-pound weights? Seriously?
Don't smell a trip.
Bro, stop rage cutting. I have work tomorrow.
Are those live geese? Is this Game of Thrones? Get out!
Is that my Makita drill? Get down from there!
Tokyo Drift, stop burning rubber in the bedroom. My allergies. It's 4 a.m. You're not Travis Barker. Stop banging those pots.
Slow down. You're gonna crash into the wardrobe. Where did you even get a Lime scooter?
Why is there salt all over the rug? Stop slapping your bellies.
This isn't BattleBots. Put the soup ladles back in the kitchen.
This is 100 degrees in here.
How much electricity are you using? Did you just karate chop my bookshelf? Who taught you that?
That's Persian rug. It's not grass. Turn it off!
Why are I hitting myself? Stop pulling the strings! I'm not a toy! Wait, do I smell sausages? H-E-oi! You're gonna burn the house down!
That is wet clay on the hardwood.
Please tell me that's not radioactive. Why are you making potions at 4 a.m.?
Are you kidding me? It's 3 a.m. Turn off the bat.
I thought the roof was collapsing! Why do you even have drums?
Is that the neighbor's cat? Are you guys betting catnip?
My eyes! Oh! In the bedroom,
Did the market crash? Why are you shorting my retirement fund?
Watch the lamp, watch the lamp. Okay, that's it, give me the headset.
Okay, Paranormal, that's enough. You owe me a new window.
Is that a raccoon? Are you interviewing a raccoon in my room?
It's a leaf blower, not a hairdryer. Turn it off. I'm breathing flour. Why is there pepperoni on my forehead?
Don't cut the red one. Wait, is that my alarm clock?
Are you kidding me? It's 3 a.m. Turn off the bass.
We are not underwater! Why are you wearing flippers in bed?
Summoning the ghosts of my god. I'm trying to sleep.
BZZZZZT. Don't. I have a presentation tomorrow. Put the clippers down.
Is that a Martian? Did you just sell me to the aliens?
That's permanent paint. My wall. There are no mistakes, just happy accidents?
No. Is that raw salmon? On my face? Where did you get a fresh tuna?
don't care what demon you're summoning, put the tuna down!